Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Treats. So today I'm gonna unbox and review a DIY power bank. So as you can see in the images, the packaging material of the power bank was exactly like this. It was in this way. It was provided by the seller, and so there is the box of the product itself. As you can see, other than the packaging material, it was in just in a plastic package, which I had opened it earlier. So the moment I open the box, as you can see, it's written as Chucks. Well, I don't know, this might be the brand name. Let's take the product out of the box. So, well, as you can see inside the box, it's written as, there's some number over here in the Chinese language. Okay, 2104060001 and G0706181 in bracket. Now I don't know, I cannot, you can read these if you know Chinese, then you can try understand what does this thing mean. Then in English it is written as you can see, SANOU-YURI. So it is becoming difficult to read from this side. Okay, so yeah, SANOU-YURI. This might be the brand name of the power bank, and some other numbers. Again, it is everything written in Chinese, and the box is written as Chucks. So let me keep this box on the side and let's focus to the product itself. So this is the power bank itself. As you can see, as I've told you, I've already opened it earlier. So here are the cells. Here is a slotting for 4 cells. I've right now inserted 2 of them. You can just easily get it in the online or offline stores, wherever you want to. So here are 4 LED lights. This is the power button. Well, so as you can see, the product itself. Again, at the back, something is written in the Chinese language. I don't know. If you know Chinese, you can read it. So yeah, this thing I guess I can understand. I guess you can also understand. It is like actually the input current means the as I haven't shown you, this is the in, as you can see, input is 5 volt equals to 2 amps, and output is like 1 amp as well as 2 amps. So this is what I guess the company wants to mean in the Chinese language. 5 volt equals to 1 amp is the input, 5 volt equals to 1 amp, and 5 volt equals to 2 amps equals to is the output. 1 amp is for like slow charging, 2 amps is for fast charging. But this power bank doesn't support any kind of turbo charging or VOOC charging features, as you can see in your Motorola or Oppo smartphones. This can max support up to your fast charging, ROHS certified, and the total capacity of this power bank would be like, and at last in the Chinese language it should be written it as like the total capacity of this power bank would be 12,000 milliamp hour. This is actually lithium ion power bank. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have inserted over here these are the 18650 cells. As I've told you, you can easily get them in the market. So let me show you how it works. So the moment I press the power button over here, the 4 LED just lights up instantly. It's written as D1, D2, D3 and D4. You can see now. Generally in the market I've seen up to like 3000 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. The individual cells, like these ones are available in blue color, purple color, green color. The branded ones are of Panasonic brand. These ones are actually the one which I'm using is actually local. It's not yet much branded. 2 ports. Let me turn on the LED light. Is also there. As you can see, I've turned on the LED light. Also, the battery is discharged a little bit, so instead of 4 LEDs, 3 of them are glowing. One is actually shut down. Turned off already. One among the 4. See, D1 is not working. D3 remaining, all of them are working. This is the DIY power bank. Let me turn off this light. because it might be disturbing you. Right now it would be clear, as you guys can see. Now now when I put the cover, is just like a clip mechanism. I will just press it and it goes to power bank. So it is written as power bank. This is the power button itself. Here are the 4 LEDs as you have seen, and the brand name would be SANOU-YURI. So SANOU-YURI, as I've shown you in the box, guys. SANOU-YURI. SANOU-YURI is that brand name. And over here, let me show something else. Because I cannot open this actually board, the green color board right now, which you are seeing. That cannot be opened. But this is also of some brand like XYZ plus, some kind of brand, as I've seen from side. Well, the build quality of the product is good. So let me open it and show it to you. See, 118/650 cell. It looks like this. So whichever you would like to go for. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, Technical Treats, and also hit the bell icon to get notified. And this is the back part, as you can see. Okay, guys, thank you.